Today, we are comparing two of the most talked about health insurance plans in India, HDFC Ergo Optima Secure and Care Ultimate Care Plan. On one side, we have plan that boost your sum insured from day one, and it's giving you double coverage immediately, and with every renewal, it can grow up to 4 times your base sum insured without paying anything extra from your pocket. And on the other side, Ultimate Care is one of the health insurance plans that come with a money back benefit. Yes, a health insurance plan that can actually return money under certain conditions. So the big question is, do you go for a plan that multiplies your coverage automatically or a plan that gives you a return benefit along with protection? And which one is really fit best for you? And that's exactly what we are going to break down in today's video. And I will compare claim settlement ratio of both plans, core features, unique features, optional covers, waiting periods, discounts, and we will do feature by feature comparison to see which plan make more sense in real life. So make sure you watch till the end, because by the time this video finishes, you will know which plan truly fits modern health insurance needs, Optima Secure or Ultimate Care. When you compare HDFC Ergo Optima Secure with Ultimate Care, the difference is not just in numbers, but in how these plans behave at the time of claim. Before we start comparison, let me introduce myself. So hi, I'm Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, and at PolicyHub we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you prefer watching this comparison in Hindi, you can visit our Hindi channel as well. And if you want free personalized consultation, you can always book your free consultation with PolicyHub, and link is given in the description. Now let's start with the most important difference between both plans. So the first is claim settlement ratio, because this matters the most during emergencies. HDFC Ergo Optima Secure has a very high and strong claim settlement ratio of 99.8%, which puts it among the most reliable insurer in India. And Care Health claim settlement ratio is around 92%, which is acceptable but clearly lower when compared side by side. And now coming to the network hospitals, then HDFC Ergo Optima Secure offers a much wider network with 16,000 plus cashless hospitals, whereas Care Ultimate Care provides access to around 10,000 plus network hospitals. A larger network reduces out-of-pocket expenses and gives you more flexibility, especially when treatment is required outside your home city. And in terms of eligibility and sum insured, HDFC Ergo Optima Secure allow adult entry from 18 years with no maximum age limit, and you can choose a policy tenure between 1 year to maximum 3 years, with sum insured options starting from 5 lakh and goes up to 2 crore. Whereas Ultimate Care also allow entry from 18 years with no upper age limit, but the sum insured range is limited to 5 crore and goes up to 1 crore. And the maximum premium payment tenure can go up to 5 years. When it comes to pre-medical test, HDFC Ergo Optima Secure requires medical test only after the age of 65, while Ultimate Care generally offers the option to buy the policy without mandatory medical test, and it's totally depending on age and declared health conditions. And now let's talk about core hospitalization benefits, where both plans perform well in some areas. So both HDFC Ergo Optima Secure and Ultimate Care has no room rent limit, which means you can choose any hospital room without facing deductions, and pre-hospitalization expenses are covered for 60 days in both plans. And the difference appears in post-hospitalization coverage. So Optima Secure covers medical expenses for 180 days after discharge, where Ultimate Care limits this to 90 days, which can matter if long-term follow-up treatment is required. So both plans offer no claim bonus of 50% up to 100%, and in both plans, bonus does not reduce even if you make a claim. And in HDFC Ergo, bonus is specified under plus benefit. And if we talk about modern treatments, then in both plans, IU's treatment, organ donor expenses, domiciliary hospitalization, modern treatment, all are included up to the full sum insured. So there is no compromises on advanced or alternative treatment methods. In terms of restoration benefit, both plans offer unlimited restoration. HDFC Ergo Optima Secure restoration works for both same and different illnesses without exhausting the base sum insured, while Ultimate Care provides automatic recharge benefit, and it's also applicable for the same and different illnesses. And preventive health checkup, where the approach changes. HDFC Ergo Optima Secure offers inbuilt preventive health checkup after every renewal with the value depending on the sum insured. And Ultimate Care does not include preventive health checkup by default but offer them on a cashless basis as an add-on cover. And when it comes to consumable benefit, then HDFC Ergo Optima Secure includes them inbuilt under the Protect benefit, which means no extra cost for consumable items like gloves, syringe, PP kit. And Ultimate Care covers consumables only if you opt for the claim shield rider. For ambulance coverage, HDFC Ergo covers road ambulance expenses up to the sum insured and air ambulance covered up to 5 lakh. And in Ultimate Care, road ambulance and air ambulance both are covered for the actual cost. And now let's look at unique features of both plans, because this is where these plans are built differently. So Optima Secure is designed to increase your hospitalization power. With the secure benefit, your cover is doubled from day one, and the plus benefit increases your coverage through bonus without reducing your base sum insured, while the restore and protect benefit ensure your coverage is refilled and consumables expenses are covered. And if we talk in terms of optional riders, then HDFC Ergo Optima Secure offers a range of optional riders that focus on both financial protection and long-term health management. So the first rider is critical illness rider. It provides a lump sum payout if insured is diagnosed with the listed critical illnesses. This amount is paid irrespective of hospitalization bills and can be used for treatment costs, recovery expenses, or even income replacement during a difficult phase. Another rider is hospital cash rider. It pays a fixed daily amount for each day of hospitalization, and you can opt hospital cash benefit from 500 rupees per day to maximum 10,000 rupees per day. And another rider is personal accident rider. So with this rider, the policy offers financial support in case of accidental death or permanent disability. This rider helps protect the family's financial stability if an accident leads to loss of income or long-term physical impact on the insured person. And for people managing long-term health conditions, the ABCD chronic care rider helps reduce the waiting period, and it covers your pre-existing disease just after 31st day. And another rider is Limitless. With Limitless rider, you can claim over and above your base sum insured once in your whole life. Optima Secure also offers a parenthood rider, which supports expenses related to maternity. It covers IVF, egg freezing related expenses as well, and it's subjected to the applicable waiting period and policy conditions. Another rider is Optima Wellbeing rider. Optima Wellbeing rider is designed to cover a range of outpatient healthcare expenses that are not included under regular hospitalization cover. It supports costs related day-to-day medical needs, helping policyholders manage routine health expenses without depending only on inpatient treatment. On the other hand, Ultimate Care pushes optional benefit even further. Let's talk about the power-packed benefit and rider that really make Ultimate Care plan stand out from a regular health insurance policy. So the first comes the Infinity Bonus. So with Infinity Bonus, every time you renew the policy, your coverage increases by 100% of the sum insured. And the best part, it does not matter whether you made a claim or not. And there is no upper limit, so your coverage can keep growing year after year. And that's huge for long-term protection. Next is something very useful in today's time, unlimited e-consultation. You can consult general physician as well as a specialist online as many times as you need. No limits, no extra stress. Then we have the premium payback benefit. So if you complete 5 continuous claim-free year, the company refunds the base premium of your first policy year. So basically, staying healthy actually gives you money back. And now let's talk about the wellness benefit. If you stay active and achieve the target of active days, where one active day means 10,000 steps, you can earn up to 30% discount on your renewal premium. So this plan literally rewards a healthy lifestyle. Every insured member also get an annual health checkup, one free health checkup every policy year, and it's covering a specified list of tests at network hospitals. So this helps in early detection and preventive care. And then there's also something called grace period cover. So even if you renew during the grace period, your coverage continues, giving you an extra safety net. For people who prefer in-person visits, you get physical consultation benefit, and each insured member can avail 4 consultation with general physician and 4 with a specialist, with up to 500 rupees per consultation covered. Now a very important add-on, which is Claim Shield. This covers non-payable item listed under Annexure List 1, List 2, List 3 and List 4. Things that are usually not paid in normal claims. This can significantly reduce your out-of-pocket expenses. For those with existing medical condition, there is PD wait period modification. You can reduce the pre-existing disease waiting period from 3 years to 2 years or even 1 year, and it's depending on the optional chosen. And for fitness lover will like BeFit Plus, all insured member above 12 years get unlimited access to network fitness center. It's like your insurance plan supporting your gym routine. And with Care OPD, you also get coverage for physical consultation with general physicians and specialists and making day-to-day doctor visit easier. And now comes a strong feature, instant cover option. After an initial waiting period of 30 days, waiting periods can be waived for conditions like diabetes, hypertension, hyperlipidemia, asthma, obesity, hypothyroidism and even coronary artery disease if PTC done 1 year ago. And finally, the most powerful optional benefit is unlimited care. This allows one claim in your lifetime with no limit on the sum insured. So you must opt for it at policy inception and you can choose to opt out after 5 years. And if we talk about premium structure, there is a small but important difference between the two plans. In HDFC Ergo Optima Secure, the premium is divided into two zones, Tier 1 and Tier 2. Tier 1 cities includes Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, Thane, Navi Mumbai, Surat, Ahmedabad and Vadodara. And Tier 2 covers the rest of India. So people living in major metro and high cost cities fall under Tier 1 while all other locations come under Tier 2 for premium calculation. And on the other hand, Ultimate Care has a more detailed zone structure. The premium here is divided into 3 zones, Zone 1, Zone 1A and Zone 2. Zone 1 includes Delhi NCR, Surat, Mathura, Aligarh. Zone 1A covers Telangana, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Nasik, and Zone 2 covers Pune, Indore, Bengaluru, urban area and rest of Gujarat, and Zone 3 covers rest of India. So compared to Optima Secure simple two-tier system, Ultimate Care uses more city-based classification which can slightly impact the premium depending on where you live. And now if we look at premiums based on age and family size, you can check the exact premium on the screen. Between these two plans, the premium differences is usually very slight, but the zoning and benefit structure may influence which one suits you better. And if we talk in terms of discounts, HDFC Ergo Optima Secures clearly gives more visibility, loyalty discounts, family discounts and higher saving on long-term policies, especially if you choose a 2-year or 3-year tenure. And if you opt for a 3-year policy term, you get a straight 10% discount on the premium, which means you lock your price for 3 years and save money at the same time. Even if you don't want to commit for 3 years, choosing a 2-year policy still gives you 5% long-term discount and making it more economical than renewing every year. And if we talk about discount in Ultimate Care, then this plan offers a tenure discount, which means the longer policy duration you choose, the more you save. If you opt for 2-year policy, you get a 7.5% discount on the premium. Choosing a 3-year policy tenure increases the discount to 10%, while 4-year policy gives you 12.5% off. If you go for a 5-year policy, you can enjoy up to 15% discount. So clearly, a longer commitment results in better savings. There is also a special discount available for NRI policyholders, which further helps in lowering the premium cost. In addition, Ultimate Care provides family discount, which is beneficial when multiple members are covered under the same policy. This discount is applicable to each additional insured member other than the eldest member, provided everyone is covered on an individual sum insured basis. So if you insure 2 or 3 members, you receive a 5% discount, and if the policy covers 4 or more members, the discount increases to 10%. And NRI discount is available in Optima Secure as well as Ultimate Care plan. So overall, these discounts make the policy more affordable, especially for long-term coverage and family protection. Now, to answer that big question, you first need to understand one thing. These two plans are not fighting on numbers. They are built on completely different ideas. HDFC Ergo Optima Secure is for people who think long term. It's designed around the idea that medical costs keep rising every year. So instead of keeping your cover fixed, this plan keeps increasing your protection. From day one, you already get double coverage. As you keep renewing the policy, your total cover can grow up to 4 times your base sum insured. That means even if you start with a moderate cover today, your protection becomes much stronger in the future without you having to upgrade again and again. This plan is more about building a bigger safety net over time. Ultimate Care works on a different mindset. Here, the focus is not on multiplying your sum insured, but on structured benefit and the unique money back feature. Under certain conditions, the plan can actually return a portion of the premium, which is something very rare in health insurance. So this plan appeals more to people who want protection, but also like the idea that if they don't make claims, they can get some value back instead of feeling like the premium is completely gone. Honestly, when you look at both plans side by side, this is not a case of one is good and other is bad. It's more about personality of the plan and personality of the buyer. Optima Secure feels like a plan built for people who want structure, predictability, and strong claim confidence. The very high claim settlement ratio, bigger hospital network, longer post-hospitalization cover, and inbuilt consumable benefit make it feel stable during real claim situations. And the way it multiplies coverage through Secure Plus, Restore, and Protect benefit is very smart, especially for families starting with 10 to 25 lakh cover, but wanting it to grow over time. It suits salary family, first buyers, and people who want strong hospitalization focused protection without depending too much on add-ons. And it's also comforting for those who worry about what happened at claim time more than fancy wellness features. And on the other hand, Ultimate Care feels like a plan designed for people who think long term and want maximum ceilings, lifestyle benefits, and flexibility. The Infinity bonus with no cap, wellness reward, OPD support, fitness access, premium payback, and instant cover option make it feel more like a health management ecosystem, not just a hospital bill policy. Someone who is health conscious, uses OPD often like preventive care, or want a very high cover like 1 crore plus with future growth potential may find this more attractive. It also suits people who like customization and are okay selecting add-ons to shape the policy their way. So who should pick what? So if your priority is claim reliability, bigger hospital access, strong inbuilt hospitalization feature, and a plan that quietly becomes powerful over time, Optima Secure makes more practical sense. And if your priority is a very high coverage potential, OPD and wellness uses, bonus growth without limits, and added health engagement feature, Ultimate Care can feel more rewarding. So in the end, the best plan is not the one with the long brochure. It's the one that matches how you actually live, how often you use healthcare, and how much involvement you want beyond hospitalization. Both are strong. The smarter choice depends on whether you want a solid shield or growing health ecosystem around you. And I hope this video cleared the difference between both plans. And if it is, then do like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.